Hey guys, I'll see if I can quickly film a video before I head into work. So for this video, I'd like to talk about some purchases I made on my Quest Trade margin, and I'd like to talk about using a bit more margin in the last couple of days. So as a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a guy interested in building a portfolio. So in the last couple of days, as I'm filming on July 19th, 2024, there seems to be a drop in the NASDAQ. There seems to be a drop in a lot of technology stocks. So yield max ETFs like ULTY, YMAX, even AMDY, they dropped down more than usual. So I actually decided to use more margin and finally pick up AMDY, as it did drop down to around 15.10 as of July 19th. But I did actually pick it up at 16.05 and then try to average down a bit. So I didn't time it correctly, but I'm in it for the income for the long term. And can't be perfect, can't try to win at everything. So I decided to use more margin because I'm actually becoming more comfortable using more margin. I'm becoming more comfortable seeing the interest rate charged into my account, how to avoid margin calls, what I can do to protect myself in the event I made a mistake while investing. So I'm paying attention more to my buying power now, as I want to make sure I still limit to up to my current TFSA balance and try not to use more than my TFSA balance, and leave some margin buying power, leave some extra room just in case there's either more opportunities or just in case I made a mistake and I get into a margin call. There's something called maximum buying power on Quest Trade, but I don't want to use that much. I still want to keep a limit. So I also picked up even more QDTE and FEPI, FEPI, because I saw there was a drop in the stock price and decided to use more margin even for both of them as well. I might consider making QDTE my biggest investment in my margin account because of the weekly distributions. QDTE is based on the NASDAQ, and it pays out a higher distribution most of the times than XDTE. So XDTE is based on the S&P 500, but in order to have enough distribution to overcome the interest rate, then I want to make sure I get a decent dividend yield. I also want to be more invested into indexes and not just individual single stock ETFs. That's why I don't have a lot into AMDY, Coney, and YBIT. So I still put a limit on those three funds, and I might consider not getting any more at this point. I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Otherwise, please subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you guys for watching.